NordLocker is a cloud-based password manager designed to keep your online account secure. Upon signing up, you'll notice a smooth and intuitive interface that makes storing and managing passwords easy. The app is designed to securely encrypt your sensitive data, which is essential in today's digital age. But is it as secure and user-friendly as it claims? The first thing I noticed is how simple it is to get started with NordLocker. After downloading the app, I quickly signed up and started adding my first password. You can easily store your login credentials and encrypt files, which adds an extra layer of security. But I quickly realized that the free version has limitations. You can only store a few files before you're prompted to upgrade to the premium version. Now let's talk about security, which is the most crucial aspect of any password manager. NordLocker uses AES-256 encryption, which is a high standard for protecting your passwords. However, I have concerns about the number of services that require a subscription to access all features. While the free plan offers some protection, it's the premium version where you get more advanced encryption, file storage options, and syncing across devices. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. While NordLocker excels at keeping your passwords safe, there are a few things that could use improvement. For example, the user interface could be a bit more polished. Sometimes, I found it to be a little clunky, especially when trying to navigate through the settings. Additionally, the syncing between devices wasn't always seamless, and I had some issues with getting it to sync instantly across all my devices. On the other hand, NordLocker does offer a generous amount of storage for premium users, with the ability to store unlimited files securely. The customer support is also very responsive, which is always a plus when dealing with something as important as your digital security. Overall, NordLocker is a solid option for those looking for an easy-to-use and secure password manager. While the free version does the job for basic users, the premium plan is definitely worth considering if you want advanced features, like file encryption and unlimited syncing. If security is a priority for you, NordLocker delivers in that area with top-notch encryption. If you're looking for a reliable password manager that also offers encrypted file storage, NordLocker is a good choice. Just be aware of the limited features in the free plan, and if you need more functionality, the premium plan might be your best option. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.